Whew, I have had one of them days. And something you guys probably don't know about me is I'm a bit of a workaholic. So if you talk about my schedule, I'll get up in the morning with my boys. So if you don't know, I've got 5 boys, and I'll get up with them in the morning about 6 o'clock. And I'll go downstairs with them, and we'll cut on the sofa, put some rubbish that they watch on their TVs, usually on YouTube. And I'll check my socials, see if anyone's commented, anyone's liked, anyone's shared, any analytic data in the morning for over the night. Because obviously, it's not just people in Britain that watch my videos. I've got followers in Australia and America and all over the world. So I check, see if they've commented or anything like that during the night. Then as the day progresses to about 8 o'clock, I will then start to work on some quotes and send out quotes to customers from the night before that I didn't get a chance to get to. Then I'll go out to work. And something that I do at work, right, is I make videos. And I started making videos and posting them on YouTube as a form of passive income. So I thought if I create content and I post it on social media, if I take a day off, TikTok's going to pay me, YouTube's going to pay me, people I've created content for is going to pay me. There's no such thing. That is not a passive income. I'm telling you, I work 2 full-time jobs. So when I'm creating content, I'm at work and I'm shooting content. And then when I finish work, I get home. I've got 5 boys. So I try to entertain them for a couple of hours before they go to bed whilst updating my social media. So I might be posting for business related stuff. So I might be posting on Facebook, Instagram, trying to advertise the business. Then when they go to bed, I will edit footage. So because I've got so many kids, bedtime takes from 6:30 to about 10 o'clock. So 2 of them will go to bed at 6:30. So I'll take them or the wife will take them. During that period, I'll edit a video and I'll make the other 2. So if I'm downstairs, I'll make the other 2 separate. If not, I'll edit a video, post a video and interact with the video. And then either way, I'm going to be doing that regardless, but sometimes I might have to make separate as well. So then when that happens, by the time I've done that, then I've had quotes for the day and I'm going to get through as many of those quotes as I can. Then I do like to spend time with my wife. Believe it or not, I do like her. She's sort of grown on me. She's like family now, you know. So I'd like to spend a little bit of time with her. And then I'll edit some more videos, see how those videos are doing, get back to any urgent emails that doesn't have to be within work hours, and things like that. By the time I've done all that, it's about 12 o'clock. I go to sleep and I wake back up and I do it all the next day. But I posted this video yesterday. Look at those bags. That brother needs a nap. But as you can see, I'm excited. I'm energized. Going to work is like an antidepressant to me. Over the weekend, I tend to get a little bit depressed. I tend to get a little bit grumpy that I don't have that work to do. So I'm addicted to working essentially. And yeah, I would need a break, man. I have 6 years. 6 years I've been creating content and going through that same routine of making sure the content is edited, make sure everything is right before I post it, then posting it, then engaging with it, and then engaging with other creators, and then trying to get the ball rolling so that spreads. I've been doing it for 6 years, and it's like my body needs a break, but my mind's like, nope, put your shoulder to the wheel, brother. And it sounds like a complaint, but I love it. I just love it. And I suppose, really, I couldn't be doing what I'm doing if it wasn't for all of you. All of the support that you do. Everyone who likes my posts, everyone who shares my posts, everyone who comments my posts. Do you know what? I know that there's people who's going to see this and they're going to share it to particular people to run me down. But I don't care. I'm grateful for that share. Do you know what I mean? And it's such a bizarre world that I live in that I just love it. I just love it. So thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you.